Hi, Dotsie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have fun. And lalo na kasama mo si Jenjen. Sobrang effort. Talaga namang pumunta pa dyan para makapag-celebrate kasama ka. I wish you good health and all the happiness and blessings na pwede ibigay sa'yo ni Papa God. Pagbutihin mo pag-aaral mo and pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting kapatid mo, pagiging mabuting girlfriend mo, and I'm sure pagiging mabuting anak mo sa mga magulang mo. I feel really blessed and lucky to have met you. I know darating yung time na mas makikilala natin ang isa't isa. I'm really looking forward to meet you and enjoy your day and I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye.